We all love a good adventure story. Whether it's in the pages of a book or on the big screen, the thrill of discovery captivates us all. We think about Indiana Jones racing against time to find ancient treasures. His daring escapades and incredible finds make our hearts race. But real-life archaeology is even more exciting. The sense of uncovering something that has been hidden for centuries is unparalleled. Imagine finding a lost city buried for centuries. The thrill of revealing structures that have been hidden from human eyes for ages is indescribable. Imagine uncovering a tomb filled with gold and ancient secrets. The artifacts within tell stories of a time long past, waiting to be discovered. These are the kinds of adventures that real archaeologists experience every day. Their work is a blend of science, history, and a bit of detective work.
These explorers don't just dig up artifacts. They meticulously document and analyze their findings to piece together the past. They uncover the stories of people who lived long ago. Each artifact is a clue, a piece of a larger puzzle that helps us understand ancient civilizations. They piece together the past, helping us understand our place in the world. By studying these remnants, we gain insights into how our ancestors lived, worked, and thought. Every artifact tells a story, from the simplest pottery shard to the most intricate jewelry. Each item has a history and a significance. These stories connect us to our history in a powerful way. Museums become gateways to the past, allowing us to walk through time and experience the lives of those who came before us. In the next few sections, we'll journey into the world of archaeology. We'll explore the methods and tools that archaeologists use to uncover the secrets of the past. We will discover the amazing stories behind some of the greatest finds in history. These discoveries have reshaped our understanding of ancient cultures and civilizations. We will also explore how modern technology is helping us uncover even more mysteries of the past. Tools like ground-penetrating radar and drones are revolutionizing the field, allowing us to see beneath the surface without disturbing the sight. So, get ready to put on your explorer's hat. The world of archaeology is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Let's embark on an adventure through time. Together, we'll uncover the mysteries of the past and connect with the stories that have shaped our world. In 1922, a British archaeologist named Howard Carter made one of the most amazing discoveries in history. After years of searching and excavating in the scorching heat of the Egyptian desert, Carter and his team finally stumbled upon something extraordinary. He found the tomb of King Tutankhamun, an Egyptian pharaoh who ruled during the 18th dynasty. This discovery was not just significant because of the tomb itself, but because it was one of the most well-preserved and intact tombs ever found. This tomb was hidden in the Valley of the Kings for over 3,000 years. The Valley of the Kings is a place where many pharaohs and nobles were buried. But King Tut's tomb stood out because it had remained largely untouched by grave robbers.
Carter's discovery was huge news. Newspapers around the world covered the story extensively, and it captured the imagination of people everywhere. The idea of uncovering a lost world from ancient Egypt was thrilling. The tomb was practically untouched. This meant that the artifacts inside were in pristine condition, offering a unique glimpse into the life and death of an ancient pharaoh. It was filled with treasures, gold, jewels, and even chariots. The sheer wealth and opulence of the items found in the tomb were beyond anyone's wildest dreams. The world was amazed by the beauty and richness of King Tut's burial goods. Each artifact told a story of a civilization that was both advanced and deeply spiritual. Some people said the tomb was cursed. Stories began to circulate about a curse that would befall anyone who dared to disturb the resting place of the young pharaoh. They said that bad luck would come to anyone who disturbed it. This idea of a curse added an element of danger and intrigue to the discovery. Of course, this was just a story. Most archaeologists and scientists dismissed the idea of a curse as mere superstition, but it didn't stop the public from being fascinated by the possibility. But it added to the mystery and excitement surrounding the discovery. The tale of Howard Carter and the Pharaoh's curse remains one of the most captivating stories in the history of archaeology, blending the thrill of discovery with the allure of ancient legends.
Imagine finding a stone that unlocks the secrets of an ancient language. That's what happened in 1799 with the discovery of the Rosetta Stone.
This stone had the same message written in 3 different scripts: Greek, Demotic, and ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. At the time, no one could read hieroglyphs. This stone was the key. A French scholar named Jean-François Champollion cracked the code. He used the Greek text, which people understood, to decipher the hieroglyphs. This discovery was like finding a lost library of ancient Egyptian knowledge.
Archaeology isn't just about digging with shovels and brushes. Today, archaeologists use high-tech tools to uncover the past. Ground-penetrating radar can see beneath the surface, revealing hidden structures. Drones with cameras can create 3D maps of entire archaeological sites.
Even DNA analysis helps. By studying the DNA of ancient people, scientists can learn about their health, their diets, and even where they migrated from. These technologies are helping us understand the past in ways we never thought possible.
Section 5. Unearthing Pompeii, a city frozen in time.
In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, burying the Roman city of Pompeii under tons of ash and rock.
The city was lost for centuries.
Then, in the 18th century, archaeologists began to uncover the ruins.
Pompeii is like a time capsule.
The ash preserved everything: houses, shops, even the bodies of the people who lived there.
We can walk the streets, see the artwork, and imagine what life was like on that fateful day. Section 6. Lost cities, ancient civilizations. Throughout history, many civilizations have risen and fallen. Some have left behind amazing cities, only to be lost to time. But archaeologists are like detectives, using clues to track down these lost worlds.
In the 19th century, explorers discovered the ruins of Angkor Wat in the jungles of Cambodia. This vast temple complex was once the heart of the Khmer Empire. In South America, the Inca city of Machu Picchu, hidden high in the Andes Mountains, was rediscovered in 1911. These discoveries remind us that the past is full of wonders waiting to be found.
Section 7. The Dead Sea Scrolls, rewriting biblical history. In 1947, a Bedouin shepherd stumbled upon a cave near the Dead Sea. This accidental discovery would soon become one of the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century. Inside the cave, he found clay jars filled with ancient scrolls. These scrolls were carefully preserved in the jars, hidden away for centuries.
These scrolls, now known as the Dead Sea Scrolls, contained biblical texts that were over 2,000 years old. The discovery was groundbreaking, offering a glimpse into the past that had been lost to time. These scrolls were a major discovery for biblical scholars. They provided invaluable information that helped scholars understand the development of the Hebrew Bible and the context in which it was written. They provided the oldest known copies of many biblical books. This allowed scholars to compare these ancient texts with later versions, shedding light on how the texts had evolved over time. They also gave us insights into the lives and beliefs of Jewish communities from that time. The scrolls included not only biblical texts, but also other writings that revealed the religious practices, social structures, and daily lives of these ancient people. The Dead Sea Scrolls are a powerful example of how even small discoveries can have a huge impact on our understanding of history. They remind us that history is not static, but constantly evolving as new information comes to light. Each fragment of parchment, each line of text, adds to the rich tapestry of our shared human story, offering new perspectives and deeper understanding of our past.
Section 8. The Power of Museums, Gateways to the Past. Museums are more than just buildings filled with old objects. They are gateways to the past. When you walk through a museum, you are walking through time.
You can see artifacts from ancient Egypt, Greece, Rome, and civilizations from all over the world. You can learn about dinosaurs, space exploration, and the history of our own planet. Museums help us connect with the past, understand the present, and imagine the future.
Section 9, the quest continues. Your own adventure awaits. The search for knowledge, for understanding our past, is a never-ending adventure. Every year, archaeologists make new discoveries. They uncover lost cities, decipher ancient texts, and piece together the stories of our ancestors.
You don't have to be an archaeologist to be an explorer. Visit a museum, read a book about history, ask questions, be curious. The past is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. So go out there and start your own adventure of discovery.